Hello, everybody. Welcome back. My heartfelt happy new year to everyone. Today, we can start learning a new chapter, the path traversed by life. In this lesson, we are going to learn how life came to be on earth and their related theories with evidences, and also we will go through evolution. Our first theory is the panspermia theory. This theory argues that life originated in some other planet in the universe and accidentally reached the Earth. The organic substances obtained from the meteors that fell on Earth support this. How was the atmosphere of the primitive Earth? How life originated in the primitive Earth? The scientists who gave acceptable answer to these questions were the Russian scientist A.I. Oparin, Alexander Ivanovich Oparin in 1924, and the British scientist John Burdon Sanderson Haldane in 1929 are the proponents of this theory. The theory put forward by them on the origin of life on Earth is a theory of chemical evolution. The hypothesis that involved into this first one, atmosphere of the primitive Earth. The gases such as hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia, water vapor, hydrogen sulfide were the gases which was present in the atmosphere of the primitive Earth. And here no free oxygen was there. The sources of energy present was thunder and lightning, ultraviolet radiations, volcanic eruptions. Condensation of water vapor present in the atmosphere and the resulting incessant rain led to the formation of oceans. And as a result, simple organic molecules were formed, such as amino acid, monosaccharide, nitrogen base, fatty acids, etc. From the simple organic molecules, complex organic molecules were formed, such as protein, polysaccharide, nucleotides, and lipids, etc. And in the oceans, nucleic acid and lipid layer were formed. The primitive cell also formed in the ocean. The scientific basis of this hypothesis regarding the origin of life was later proved through various experiments, and it was Stanley Miller and Harold Urey conducted their experiments by artificially recreating the atmosphere of the primitive Earth that contained methane, ammonia, hydrogen, and water vapor. Urey Miller experiment. Look at the figure carefully. In the place of natural energy sources like thunder and lightning in the atmosphere of the primitive Earth, high voltage electricity was passed through the gaseous mixture in the glass flask. Then, this gaseous mixture was cooled with the help of a condenser. The sediment substances were separated, and when observed, organic molecules such as amino acids were formed. Later, many scientists designed similar experiments and more organic compounds were synthesized. This finally gave more acceptance to the Oparin-Haldane hypothesis. The major events that are related to the origin of life were illustrated in the geological timescale. Origin of life on earth starts from 3800 million years ago, that is a primitive cell. Then the origin of prokaryotes, which exist from 3500 millions of years ago, and in 1500 million years ago origin of eukaryotes were formed. In 1000 millions of years ago origin of multicellular organisms were formed.